Thank you for calling Kohler. My name is Megan. Who am I speaking with?
Alex, how you doing, Megan?
I'm good. How can I help you today?
I got a real easy question. So I don't have the model. I don't have the model number, but I have the NUMI 2.0 toilet, and it said in installation you have to fully press in the foot switch. All right, on the bottom there's a button, a foot switch that says it's whatever. I'm pushing it in. It keeps popping back out. It's not staying in.
Alrighty, well, I actually, unfortunately, am not the NUMI person. I want to send you over to my NUMI expert. Is that alright?
You got a NUMI expert?
We do. We're the NUMI expert.
Yeah, this toilet is very interesting. Even the dudes that sell it couldn't answer some of my questions. But yeah, I'd like to talk to the NUMI expert, please.
Excellent. Alright, I'll send you over there. Thank you so much, Alex.
Okay. All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
Hello? How are you?
Doing very well. How are you doing today, sir?
I'm doing great. I hear you are the NUMI expert.
NUMI, that's right. What are you working with there, Alex? Is it 1.0 or 2.0?
2.0. So there's not a lot of questions with it, honestly, but it says to press the foot switch before you install it. The foot switch is not staying depressed. Is it supposed to stay depressed when you push it all the way in?
Say again, which switch?
The foot switch, the button on the bottom of the toilet before you install it. It's something to do with it protected it during shipping, but it says before you install it, fully depress the foot switch. It keeps popping back out. Is the action that's necessary happening when I fully depress the foot switch, or something else going on?
It has to be fully pressed in. So when that foot switch essentially stays in place for shipping. That's where the battery backup is. It disables the battery backup.
Right.
So
is it supposed to stay in? Is it supposed to stay in when you push it in?
once you push it, if it pops back out, it's fine. It's just battery backup itself.
Oh, okay. So I pushed it in and popped back out, and that's fine.
That's correct.
Fantastic. I'm getting ready to install a NUMI 2.0.
Just with the installation, and then of course after that installation, check that and ensure that everything's level with the shield.
Yeah. Thank you very much. Appreciate you.
Absolutely.
All right.
Pleasure.
All right. Bye. You too. Bye. Okay.